A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to derivative. So class C, in previous lecture I have also completed questions related to derivative. So in 2 or 3 lecture I have discussed chain rule. So see, or miscellaneous question also. So find this is question number 1. Find dy by dx for find dy by dx for y is equal to, this is the result, consider 3x square plus 5x plus 6 whole upon, this is sin x. Now which method I have to use in this question? So given y is equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 6 whole upon sin x. Now we have to use quotient rule. Now in this question we have to use quotient rule. Now see, this implies we can write dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 3x square plus 5x plus 6 whole upon sin x, and dy by dx result will be gx is sin x into d by dx of 3x square plus 5x plus 6 minus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 into d by dx of sin x, the whole upon, this is sin x whole square. This is the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx result we can write, this is sin x into this result is 6x plus 5. Its derivative is 6x plus 5. So now minus sign, 3x square plus 5x plus 6 into this result is cos x. Whole upon sin square x. Now see. Now this will be the answer. And this one we can write with the first term also. So this is the answer. Now see. Now come to the next question. The next question is, find dy by dx for the function fx is equal to, or y is equal to log of 3 10x plus log of x dx. This is the question, not dx. So given y is equal to log of 3 times 10x plus log of x. So when you will operate dy by dx, or we have to consider in this question, in this equation, 1, let t is equal to 3 10x plus log of x. This implies dt by dx result is, this is 3 times d by dx of 10x plus d by dx of log x. Means dt by dx result we can write 3 times x square x plus 1 by x. Now y in terms of t we can write log of t, then dt by dy by dt, dy by dt result is 1 upon t, and 1 upon t means dy by dt result we can write 1 upon t result is 3 10x plus log of x. Consider equation 3 and this is equation 2. Now dy by dx we can write dy by dt into dt by dx. So dy by dt result is 1 upon 3 times 10x plus log of x into dt by dx result is 3x sec square x plus 1 by x. So 3x sec square x plus 1 by x. Now this is the answer. This is the answer. You can see. This is question number 2. Question number 2. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Now see, question number 3 is, Question number 3. Now question number 3 is find dy by dx for y is equal to sine of x. Now what we have to do in this question? So see, given y is equal to sine of x, consider equation 1. Let t is equal to sine of sine x. Now y we can write sine t. Now this implies dy by dt result. We can write this is cos t. This implies dy by dt is equal to cos of sine of x. This is equation 2, consider. And t result you know, since t is equal to sine of sine x, let u is equal to sine x. Then t is equal to sine u. Therefore, dt by u result is cos u. And cos u means cos of sin x. Now consider this is equation 3. And u is equal to sin x. This implies du by dx result is cos x. Consider equation 4. Now from equation 2, 3 and 4. From equation 2, 3 and 4. What we can write? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt, dt by du and du by dx. So dy by dt result is this, dt by du result is this, and du by dx result is this. So we have to multiply cos of sin x into cos of sin x into cos x. Now this is the answer. Now you can see this is the answer. Now this question is totally completed. Now see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 4. Now question number 4 is Now come to question number 4. Now question number 4 is find dy by dx for this function for y is equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube solution. Given y is equal to x plus 1 by x power 3, let t is equal to x plus 1 by x. Now y we can write t to the power 3. So dy by dt result is d by dt of t to the power 3, and this one we can write 3t square. 3t square, and 3t square means dy by dt is equal to 3 times t means x plus 1 by x, that is power 2. Consider equation 1. Now t is equal to x plus 1 by x, then dt by dx result is d by dx of x d by dx of x plus 1 by x, and this result is 1, and with plus sign d by dx of 1 by x, so result will be minus 1 by x square. So this is the result of dt by dx. Now dy by dx we can write dy by dt into dt by dx. So 3 times x plus 1 by x whole square into 1 minus 1 by x square. Now this is the answer. This is the answer. Now you can see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 5. Now question number 5 is y is equal to, suppose we have taken 5x square plus 7x plus 9 to the whole power 15. Then what we can do? This is the same process. You have to consider given function y is equal to 5x square plus 7x plus 9 to the whole power 15. Now let t is equal to 5x square plus 7x plus 9. So y is equal to t to the power 15. Now dy by dt is equal to d by dt of t to the power 15, and this result is 15 times t to the power 4, 14. Now result dy by dt result is 15 times t means 5x square plus 7x plus 9 to the whole power 14. Consider equation 1. Now y we have solved, and since t is equal to 5x square plus 7x plus 9, this implies dt by dx result is d by dx of and now we can integrate and differentiate easily. Now dt by dx, what we can get the result? Now dt by dx result we can write d by dx of 5x square result will be 10x, and now 7. Consider equation 2. Now you know from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, dy by dx, dy by dt to dt by dx. So dy by dt result is 15 times. So 15 times 5x square plus 7x plus 9 times 14 into dt by dx result is 10x plus 7. Now this is the answer. This is the answer. This is question number 5. Now see. Now this is the question based on chain rule, and there are so many questions related to chain rule. You can do yourself daily. At least 5 questions of practice must be from chain rule for every students. It is so important topic, and that is so important topics of class 12th also. So in previous class 11, you all have to discuss, you all have to revise these topics so that concept should be clear. If any doubts, can clear it without any hesitation. Now see.